Hi, my name's Sheena, and this is my robot I built for EE101. Its name is Robo Dog, and it uses two NXTs, although I probably could have fit both programs onto one. I thought it would be cool to link them together. Its first program is a guardian dog type style, and it explores around the room, and if it hears a loud noise, it will bark. Okay, my next program involves my puppy on a leash, and I attached a touch sensor to the end of this leash so I can control which way the puppy goes, when it turns, when it stops, stuff like that. And basically that's it.